Come here.
What?
Wait.
Jersey, what are you doing?
I do not know.
I don't know where they get all the
Too much
energy. You guys are hyper.
Yeah, he had chicken nuggets too.
Oh, I'm sure. No, my guy. This guy wants to eat all day.
Oh, he does now. All day. Never did before.
Like, okay, that's totally right.
Did you guys
Tanner, can I hear you?
give them Coke or something? Look at them. They're all like hyped up. What's going
No, they
on?
didn't get. No, he only got a Capri Sun.
Oswego.com is very intense, you know.
Tommy!
Bella?
That was funny.
I need to
The
get
kids
Cindy.
laughing so hard. The kids are laughing so hard.
They have
So
to.
I never seen someone laugh so hard. I'm like,
Outside.
she's probably Peter Pants.
Wasn't that funny? 24!
Let's go, guys. Oh man, wish you could come with us, Jersey, but one more day of homework club or whatever.
Can she come over on Friday? Can you ask Mom
If she wants to, we'll see.
Hey, but I want
Oh, it's gorgeous outside.
About Christmas break.
What do you mean? What are we doing
Supposed to
about
be
Christmas
Can
break?
you turn that off, please?